All right, guys, so on to doing the floor. Now, obviously, we've already done the floor, or part of it. We're gonna finish. So we put 2 layers here, and then we put 1 layer there, but I still have to cut for the 4-wheel drive shifter. I just haven't decided which 4-wheel drive shifter I'm gonna use. I'm gonna decide that this week. Get the hole cut and stuff for that. So we put 2 layers here. We put 1 layer on the back, and then a couple strips up top there just to make a little bit of a difference. We didn't get super carried away with it, and then we got it up underneath here as far as we could. Now, a couple guys wanted to know, these are the 2 tools that I like to use. You can use all kinds of different stuff, but they're tire patch tools. I will put a link in the description for a link, Amazon link for those if you want to buy those. I will put a link down below for the mat as well. And the reason I put 2 layers is because a few guys asked me about that, is you can buy this mat, because this mat is not super thick, but you can buy this mat thicker than what this stuff is. But I find that I have a hard time getting it to go into the edges when it's the thick material. And it's basically, if you buy the thicker stuff, it's just 2 layers of that thickness. And it's roughly the same price. So that's the reason I like doing it that way. Completely up to you if you want to buy the thicker stuff or the thinner stuff, whatever. But that's the reason that I do 2 layers of it. It's just you get more layers, more sound deadening, blah, blah, blah. So that will have that. So anyways, I'll throw it into the time lapse for us putting it in there, and we'll be good.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
All right, guys, so now that you've seen it, we got it all finished in there. Don't really have too much more to say. Shay did want me to, so you guys see my face. Shay wanted to do another little tidbit on the paint to see if we can get the paint to pop a little bit more. As he said in the video, it didn't do it any justice. It looks a lot better.
You guys really don't have any honest clue just how beautiful this color is. The cameras don't do it any justice. It's got, what, orange pearl in it as well?
It's got clear orange and blue pearl.
So when you look at it square to the face, it's got a beautiful blue metallic. So let's see. Hopefully you guys can catch this a little bit better than the last video. But if I shine it on an angle and you look down at this lower hue, you can actually see the orange turns the blue to a purple tinge. And there's so much metal flake in this. It's just beautiful. So anyways, hopefully you guys get to see how pretty this is, because it's gorgeous.
Yeah, like I said, it's one of those things, like even in here, you can't really see the color. Like when I was outside, when we were rolling it from Neil's over to here, and it was in the sun, makes a big difference. But anyways, you guys will see it in the sun, and any of you guys come to the car shows or any of that type of stuff that we're at this summer, you'll see it because it'll be at the car shows. Anyways, like, subscribe, hit me down in the comments, and remember, it's not rocket science.